So now I will talk about beg and plead. जी हाँ, both of these words mean to ask strongly with a lot of deep emotion. When John's wife wanted to leave him, he begged her to stay. When John's wife wanted to leave him, he pleaded with her to stay. The student begged for more time to complete the assignment, and the teacher gave her 2 more days. The student pleaded for more time to complete the assignment, and the teacher gave her 2 more days. So, you know one thing, the word beg, but not plead, is also used when poor people ask for money on the street. They are begging, and someone who does this frequently is a beggar. The word plead, but not beg, is used in the judicial system. When someone who is accused of a crime pleads innocent or pleads guilty, officially states that they are innocent or guilty. We have 2 idioms with beg. First is the beg to differ is a polite way of saying you disagree with something another person has just said. You have a different option. Number 2, I beg your pardon is a rather formal way of interrupting someone or bringing something to a person's attention. For example, I beg your pardon, you look familiar. Have we met before? So, however, in everyday spoken English, it's more common to use excuse me instead of I beg your pardon. Is it? Thank you so much.